Welcome to my channel Vault of Civilizations.
Welcome to the source. This lush sugarcane is where our journey into the world of confections begins. Okay, sound check. Are we getting the rumble?
Loud and clear, picking up the soil movement too.
Good, let's keep tracking with the tractor.
These massive harvesters rapidly cut thousands of pounds of sugarcane every hour, ensuring a steady supply for the refinery.
The Vault of Civilizations team observes as this pristine, crystal white sugar.
From these massive silos, the journey of sugar begins, transforming a colorful treat across the globe.
All mixture parameters are stable, temperature holding steady at 92 degrees.
Confirmed. Initiating the next sequence.
The robotic systems maintain a consistent flow rate, transferring the mixture hygienically towards the heating stage.
The consistency and purity levels are perfect. We can proceed.
Excellent. This batch is cleared for coloring.
The injection rate looks stable. We're holding steady at 95 milliliters.
Perfect dispersion. The blend is approved for flavoring.
From thick syrup to perfectly striped ribbons, the automated process culminates here before the candies are cooled and coated for freshness.
These machines form, fill, and seal the candy in seconds. But speed must be matched by...
Look at the fluctuation here on the heat map.
It's within tolerance, but let's monitor the next batch closely.
Advanced vacuum technology is critical here. The syrup rapidly thickens under reduced pressure, preserving both flavor and color.
The molten candy, held at a precise 140 degrees Celsius, flows through the sealed system into the holding tank.
The molten candy is rapidly cooled and precisely spread across the table, ensuring the perfect thickness before moving on to the pulling stage.
The pulling machine stretches the semi-solid candy, aerating it to create that light, shimmering texture that you see here. We maintain a constant 8 degrees Celsius and 50% humidity, which is essential for preserving the quality of the candy shipments. The high-speed rope sizer reduces the colorful ribbon to a precise 2.5 centimeter diameter.
Here we see the rotary die-forming machine in action. It transforms the continuous rope into thousands of perfectly shaped hearts. From here, a complex web of highways, railways, and shipping lanes carries these treats to every corner of the world. As the conveyor speeds towards the cooling tunnel, automated systems ensure the temperature drops precisely, tracking every piece.
Within the cooling tunnel, precision is paramount. These synchronized conveyors guide the candies through carefully controlled...
The candies are separated by exact size and weight using these vibrating grading conveyors, ensuring every piece meets our precise measurements.
The intricate synchronization systems ensure that billions of candies merge seamlessly
With mesmerizing precision, the robotic systems gently guide the colorful sweets into these massive hoppers, ready for packaging.
This is the Vault of Civilizations, where this incredible process unfolds, an engineering masterpiece.
From here, the candies enter the high-speed wrapping and packaging stage, where synchronized robotics ensure perfect timing across the floor.
This high-speed optical sorting system uses advanced AI and laser sensors to inspect every candy. Vault of Civilizations ensures every batch meets the strictest quality standards. The sugar concentration is precisely measured.
Look at the resistance measurement here. It's slightly below the threshold.
I'm logging that deviation now.
The precision of this robotic wrapping machine is astonishing, twisting each colorful candy at incredible speed.
The Vault of Civilizations captures this marvel of engineering, where predictive maintenance ensures continuous operation.
These X-ray scanners verify fill levels and ensure the absence of contaminants.
Here at the Vault of Civilizations factory, these incredible machines precisely stack and secure the candy, preparing them for shipment around the world.
In this incredible facility, thousands of candies are prepared for shipment every hour, destined for stores around the globe.
The Vault of Civilizations team witnessed the of confectionery logistics. With laser precision,
We can retrieve any pallet within 6 seconds.
this efficiency is key to the Vault of Civilizations distribution model.
The AI-powered scanning tunnel ensures complete product traceability, reading every barcode at lightning speed.
The sophisticated order fulfillment system allows these robotic arms to select and combine different candy varieties with exceptional accuracy.
From this port, billions of candies will travel across the busiest trade routes, reaching markets worldwide.
The fully automated loading system ensures maximum efficiency, preparing our shipments for global distribution.
Here, robotic sorting systems ensure that every branded candy carton reaches its regional destination efficiently.
From this facility, the journey begins. A complex web of logistics ensures our sweets reach every corner of the globe.
Virgins. The AI-powered cameras scan every millimeter, ensuring microscopic imperfections are immediately flagged.
Look at the moisture ingress at 80% humidity.
The seals are holding, but the crystalline structure is starting to shift. We need to confirm stability before shipping.
These automated systems allow us to screen thousands of samples daily, ensuring everything meets the strictest safety protocols before it leaves the factory.
All systems are green. We are exceeding the daily output target by 12%.
And here we see it all come together. A perfectly synchronized ballet of engineering, bringing these
candies are ready for rapid international delivery.
And we are tracking the final pallet entering the hold.
The complete candy-making journey, from sugarcane farming to advanced robotics and world-class quality control.
From these endless fields to the global market, the sweet legacy of candy endures. Join us next time on Vault of Civilization.
So hello guys, welcome back to another documentary. So have you ever wondered how your favorite colorful candies are made? Join Vault of Civilization on an incredible journey from lush sugarcane field to one of the world's most advanced candy factories. Discover how natural sugar is transformed into delicious, globally loved brandy sweets using cutting-edge machinery, robotics, precision engineering and strict quality control. Watch every fascinating steps of the candy making process, from harvesting sugarcane to mixing, cooking, shaping, cooling, packaging and worldwide distribution. If you love factory documentaries and satisfying manufacturing videos, this is one of the adventure you don't want to miss. Like this video if you enjoy it, comment your favorite candy below, subscribe to Vault of Civilization and turn on notification for more amazing factory tours, manufacturing documentaries and behind the scenes industrial discoveries from around the world. Bye.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.